Okay, hey, people, I have a Beyblade, I just got at Walmart today. I got Def Quetzalcoatl Spark Effect type, and it's Hasbro, there. Def Quetzalcoatl, 125 SF, there's no change, and so I'll be opening it with my one hand. So it comes with, see, the code. I'll give away right now. Then we got the string launcher. I don't know why it didn't came with the rubber band thing. I think that's what it's called. Got the string launcher. I think it's like in reddish. And we got, of course, stupid instruction with the box, so nice. So we got the launcher right here. If you guys hear that, I'm sorry. It's my dad talking with my mom, actually. So you got that. Take that off. It's an orange launcher with a blue tool. And let's take the bait. Looks really nice. This is focus. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm using my iPhone. My camera's dead. So we got a golden and shiny faceplate. It's Def Quetzalcoatl. If you guys don't see it, it's Quetzalcoatl. So you got Quetzalcoatl green. In the Japanese version, it's yellow, and I don't know why it came out green. So we got that's Quetzalcoatl. This is Def. Really nice wheel. I kind of like it. It's really nice and heavy. So we got. Darn it! Stupid track. Oh, hold on. Let's get tip out first. SF is really nice. Oh, yeah. Also, this is a balance type bay. There's nothing special about 120. Oh my god. There you go. I can tell this is not, yeah, whatever. Who cares about that? Sorry about that. So I got, I am sorry again. My dad's yelling. If you guys can hear that. So we got 125. So it's not nothing special. It's just small. Only has 2 minutes already. So I'll be assembling the bay right now. Assemble the bay. Assemble. I'll be doing a test launch. Sorry about this. I'm gonna put my camera down. Let me see. Okay, there you go. You got it? Right here. I am not going to use his launcher. I'll be using my launcher. So I'll be putting the camera down again. So sorry. Go. It's a balance bay. It's really nice. It looks like an attack bay. It's like really like that. And sunlight. Ding ding. It's in the Hades Gate Stadium. So that's the bay. So rate, comment, and subscribe. So bye guys.